Hi, M5912. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Aileen Alonggongan. I'm from Maasin, Iloilo, Philippines. I am 35 years old. I am single. I am high school graduate, and my religion is Roman Catholic. My
Okay.
work experience, I work as a housemaid here in Philippines for 9 years and 2 months, and I have served 4 members of the family, including 2 children, ages 1 and 7 years old. And my duties are taking care of the child, washing the dishes, doing the laundry, cleaning the house,
Okay.
ironing, marketing, and wash the car.
Okay. How many car do you car wash?
2.
Okay.
In my second employer, I have 4 years experience, and I do also household chores and taking care of the child.
Okay.
I have served 5 members of the family, 2 adult, 2 elderly, and 1 child, 1 year old.
Okay. And other household chores that you do?
Sir?
Other household chores that you do?
uh, Doing laundry, ironing, cleaning the house, cooking, wash the car.
How many car do you car wash?
Only one.
For how many days?
Once a week.
Okay. Um, since I saw that you have experience taking care of a 1-year-old baby, so you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the newborn baby is crying, what will you do?
If the baby is crying, first I will check the baby. If the body temperature of the baby, if she is or he's sick, and I will check the baby if the baby is hungry. And I will check also the diaper if the baby's diaper is full.
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you do everything, you check temperature and also sing a lullaby, everything that you have done to the baby to make it stop to cry doesn't work, what will you do?
I will call my I will call the attention of my employer
Okay, and what will you say to your employer?
that the baby is the baby is not want to stop to cry.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong aside from high salary. Hong Kong is safe country and the government gives equal rights and have laws that gives and have laws that protect our rights as domestic helper.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer wants me to stay.
So it is okay to extend your contract, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Um, i- um, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, but I'm willing to learn
And how will you learn to cook?
by watching videos from YouTube, by undergoing training, and reading menu books.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes,
Okay. It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
yes,
How about sharing room with kids?
yes,
How about work on Sunday or in a holiday setup by your employer?
yes,
If your employer have a pet, it is okay to you to take care of them.
yes,
It is okay to you to take care of elderly,
yes,
disabled.
yes,
It is okay to you to help them go to bed, to bathroom.
yes.
How about learning Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English? It is okay
Uh,
with you to learn?
it's okay to me to learn.
Okay. My last question, what will be your message for your future employer?
Mhm. To my future employer, please hire me because I am honest, trustworthy, and hardworking, dedicated, and willing to learn the task given. If you will hire me, I will do my best to do my duty, and I promise to finish my contract and to work with you as long as you need me. I hope you will choose me as a helper. Thank you and God bless.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Eileen. Thank you.